the lead now. Car number 1 in the second, car number 3 in the third. We're coming around up close to control. Gary King leading. Andrew Dillon, and we've got car number 3 and Matthew Iverack in third place. So we're still following soon at the moment. Gary King leading, Andrew Dillon coming around through the corner. I think Scott Jones now coming up onto the back of Matthew Iverack's car. So the battle for first and second, and then there's a battle for third and fourth. Battle for the lead, battle for third place. Both go across the jump this time. Gary King goes wide. Andrew tries to find the side line, can't seem to find it. Gary covering his bases, both very experienced drivers. Pushing through the exit. So Matthew Iverack rolls it, they Scott Jones up to the third place. So our leading group at the moment, 2 is leading, 1 is in second, 4 is in third. Coming to that corner again, we've got just coming up to about 2 minutes 40 to go in this second league final. Truck multiplied. Next race up is doing race truck group C. I think that is Bob Edison up next. Okay, at the moment we've still got this battle going, and Andrew Dillon rolls over the top of the triple. That gives Gary King a little bit more space there on the track. And Andrew gets stuck up on one of the corners. So Gary King leading Andrew Dillon now. Now over to 2.4 seconds. Scott Jones still sitting in third spot, car number 4. So it's 2, 1 and 4. Another 2 minutes to go. So car number 2, car number 1 and car number 4. That's our top 3 at the moment. We've got 1 minute 40 to go. Okay, car number 2 leading, car number 1 in second, car number 4 in third. 1 minute 15 to go. Car 2 leading 1 to 4, 1:10. Caution. Oh, you can have to marshal some goodness. There's a lot of guys behind you. Got a battle for third place now. Battle for third place. Bob Jones, a lot of pressure there from Matthew Brimmer. And Pat there, Matthew Brimmer, back into third place. Matthew Brimmer into 4, Mr. Jones 5. See as they come across through the next time, we're about 35 seconds to go. No, Darren Campbell looks like he moved up at the spot. And hung up on a loop. Hung up on a corner there. And Scott Jones rolls over the top. So now we have car number 2 leading, car number 1 in second, car number 3 in third, and 6 in the 4. We've got 15 seconds to go. Fortunately, guys. So it looks like Andrew Dillon takes the win in that last one with relevance. Car number 2, Gary King in second position. And car number 3, Matthew Iverack takes third spot.
Finished. Thank you, marshals. 2 minutes to the next race.